Our team came to this beautiful home to perform a Sarmt Film installation in the bathroom. Watch this video now to see how our Sarmt Film product is installed and how Sarmt Film will work in your space. Step 1. Preparing the installation environment. First, we must vacuum the installation area to make sure everything is clean and free of dust and debris. Step 2. Unrolling the Sarmt Film. Never place the Sarmt Film roll like this. We place a cloth on the floor and then unroll the film to keep it clean. As you can see, the bus bars and wires are already attached. There is one pair of bus bars and 2 sets of wires. Connect the film to a power source before applying to the glass to ensure it is working perfectly. Step 3. Align Sarmt Film with the glass. The next step is to align the film with the glass to make sure it fits. In this scenario, we realized that the film is too large for the glass, so we measured the glass, marked the film, and trimmed off the excess. Step 4. Preparing for installation. These are the only tools you need for Sarmt Film installation. 80% of installation success relies on a clean installation environment. So first we clean the glass with a blade from edge to edge. We even clean the film because dust can be transferred from the film to the glass later. Step 5. Ready for installation. Next, we peel back the edges of the protective liner. We never fully remove the liner. Instead, we attach packing tape on the corners at a 45-degree angle to make it easier to apply the film and remove the liner as you go. As you can see, we peel back about 2 inches of the film and secure it with tape. Avoid touching the adhesive side to avoid contaminating it. Now the film is being attached to the glass and aligned on the bottoms and sides. Once we are sure that the film is properly aligned, we attach the first 2 inches of film. Then the rest is very easy. Watch as we pull back the liner using the ends with plastic tape and smooth the film across the glass. We never go too fast. We usually apply the film 2 inches at a time to minimize air bubbles and make it easier to remove dust if necessary. We use a squeegee to smooth out any air bubbles as we go. If dust or debris does get between the film and glass, mark the area to make it easier to see where it was, and then peel the film back, remove the dust with the sticky tape, and reapply the film. We prefer to finish the installation along one edge in case there is any dust. This makes it easier to peel the film away and reapply it. We repeat this process on all of the panels until all the film has been applied and the results are beautiful. Step 6. Wiring Sarmt Film. Next, we wire the panels together so they can work in unison. In order to connect all these panels together, we use this connection diagram. The wires are run together using a daisy chain. Once the panels are wired together, we test it to ensure it is working. Step 7. Protecting the Sarmt Film. Because the Sarmt Film is being installed in a bathroom, we use a non-acid silicone to protect the edges from moisture. This is an important step to prevent damage. After applying the silicone, we remove the excess. We do this on all sides. Please ensure that you're using a neutral cure silicone, not an acid-based silicone, as this will damage the film. Step 8. Remove the protective liner and enjoy privacy on demand. The final step is to remove the protective liner from the Sarmt Film. As you can see, we are doing so while the silicone is still drying. We peel it off very carefully to avoid tearing the liner. This liner protects the film from scratches and other damage during installation. Now the Sarmt Film installation is complete and working beautifully. See how simple it is to install Sarmt Film? Think of how Sarmt Film will work in your space and contact us today to get started. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great